Yeah, dude. Even like know what it looks like and Yep, that guy just told me to go fuck myself. Pretty much.
Mm-hmm.
Come on, I'm right here.
It's all you, Nick.
I know. Well, no, we're capping A, right?
You're the only one. I was the
Why
one
is
on
A
A.
flashing?
Because I was capping it, and now they're just
They're
moving
capping
on.
it back. Okay. I'm like already shot up too, so this is no good.
This is gonna be great.
Bye for life, me.
Very DC wasn't in fucking Predator. Was he?
Predator 2.
Predator.
He was in Predator 2.
He was in Predator 2?
Yeah. He's like the CIA dude or whatever.
I need to watch Predator 2 again. I only saw it like once and it was a long ass time ago. They like go on to their shit.
By the way,
right?
Nick, you are a hero to all these guys that are dead.
Great. Bitch.
Oh my god!
I can't.